first day of work.
Reporting for duty.
Come in.
Good morning, sir. Reporting for duty.
Oh. Good morning, Mr. Smith. You're early.
I did not want to be late on my first day.
That's good, keep it up. Welcome to your first day in our company.
Thank you, sir.
This is Ms. Liu, your supervisor. Ms. Liu, this is our new addition to the team. His name is John Smith. Ms. Liu will introduce you to the team.
Hi, Mr. Smith. I will be supervising our workstation. Glad to have you on our team.
Hi, Ms. Liu. Nice to meet you, and thank you.
Ms. Liu, show him around the office first. And introduce him to the team, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'll do my best on the job and this company.
Happy to hear that. Good luck.
Let me show you to your cubicle first. Please follow me. Orientation. Here we are, Mr. Smith.
Please call me John.
Okay, John. This is where you will be working. This is your desk.
By the way, could I have your name again?
Oh, my name is Lucy Stewart. Please call me Lucy or Lou.
Okay, Lou.
You will work from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You have an hour and a half break at noon.
Okay, I understand.
Well, I'll show you around our office. Please come with me. Office tour. This is our meeting room. We have a meeting here every Monday morning. Over here we have our snack yard. During break hours, you can get beverages and snacks here.
Wow, that is very nice.
Oh, here comes your cubicle neighbors, Tom and Jerry.
Hi, Tom and Jerry. I am new here.
Hey.
My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I will introduce him to you guys again later.
Catch you later.
Well, you've already seen our marketing department. I will show you the other departments in our company for the next. This is the Human Resources Department. This is the Accounting Department. This is the Sales Department. This is the Customer Support Department. This is the IT Department. This is the server room. Okay, next, I will show you our employee cafeteria. Here we are. This is our employee cafeteria. There are daily special menus and ordinary menus like the hamburger. And it's all free.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, the company always makes sure for employees' satisfaction. Honestly tell you, it does not taste good sometimes.
Oh, really?
You can go for lunch outside if you like. There are lots of nice restaurants out there.
I'd rather try to have lunch here to save the money.
Good idea. meet the team members. Okay, now the time to meet our team members. Good morning, guys. I have an announcement to make. We have a new team member from today. This is John.
Nice to meet you guys.
Please tell them about yourself.
Hi, I'm John Smith. I'm 23 years old.
Welcome to our team. I'm Kelly. What were you doing before joining this company?
I just finished my college degree in business. This is my first job.
It's good to have you, John.
How long have you been working for this company?
I've been working here for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Tom. We've already met in the snack yard. I've been here for 3 years.
Hi, I'm Jerry. Are you single, John?
Yes, I am.
Hi, I'm Liza. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Tokyo, Japan.
Are you live alone?
Yes, I'm renting a room around this office.
We are happy to have you on our team, John.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us.
Thanks, guys. I'm looking forward to working with you all, guys.
Let's get started. Okay. Now you're going to start your work. These are your tasks for today and instruction for your work. You will learn the rules for working in this company first. If you have any questions, just ask me or our team members.
Thank you so much for your orientation.
How was your first day?
I was so nervous in the morning. But I believe I can get used to my work soon. Because my colleagues are willing to support me.
Yeah, your team members are skillful and good people.
I'm so happy to join this team in this company.
Welcome to our team.